In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with AI without setting anything up, without any cost. Literally, it's plug and play, ready to go right out the box. And you can get started completely free. So what I'm talking about here is called the automatic duplication system. And the video you see here is Sparky AI. Now, what Sparky AI does is Sparky AI is going to go and follow up with your leads that you generate into this system. So what happens is you get a page that looks just like this exact same page. And what you're going to do is you're going to share this page with other people that are looking to make money. And without setting anything up, without any extra skills, really, you can share this page. The video is going to go ahead and walk whoever you share this with, how it works, what it does, how it can benefit them. And then you or your lead has a choice of going and creating a free account so they can get the system, this very powerful system, completely free and be able to start earning commissions without any money. So what the heck is this thing? What is this Sparky AI system? What is this automatic duplication system? I just want to keep it really basic. What it is a marketing system that is designed to free up your time and help you make multiple streams of income by building a network that is going to go and get started in the various streams of income. So instead of having a customer come through and you only earn one time, you can earn many times from just one customer because of the power of the system. I also want to let you know that this particular system also has the human touch included with it completely free. It doesn't cost you anything. And what they do, it's a on-call call center. That means 24/7 hours a day, 7 days a week. Someone is standing by to help your leads. So whoever you invite to this system, whoever goes and creates this free account, they're going to have the ability to get a one-on-one coaching session or onboarding session done by humans, done by professionals that understand the power of the system and know how to show your leads what to do so they can take advantage of the leverage that's provided and be able to be in position to earn multiple ways. So if I just scroll down here, just kind of go over some of the things that this system does to help you make money in a simple way. So you can generate unlimited leads with this system simply by sharing the system. There's even an option in here where you can purchase what's called an ad pack, and they will go out and they will do the marketing for you. So it's completely hands off. You don't have to do anything, but that isn't what I typically share. What I share is a very powerful system that uses AI. You don't have to set up AI. You don't have to pay for AI. It's just done for you. Sparky does it all for you, unlimited, even as a free member. You have follow-ups, unlimited follow-up, onboards and trains, expands across multiple streams of income. And that's the whole idea here is you're able to make multiple streams of income with just the one system. So let me come over here. You're going to get a dashboard. When you go and you click here and you click on your get your free trial, you fill this out, you're going to get a dashboard. And the dashboard is going to look exactly like this unless it changes in the future. Right now, this is how it looks. And all you have to do is grab this link right here. It's already set up, ready to go. It looks just like this. It's this exact page, and you are ready to go. That's all you have to do. It's very simple. You can join for free and get started. Now, what this system does have is various ways to earn. So when you come in as a free member, you're unlocking many different ways to earn both residual and high ticket income, even as a free member. If you decide you want to have a paid membership, you're going to increase what you can earn for your commissions. There's also 6 different opportunities that can be added into the system that you can earn residual income from. and one-time income as well. So there's many different ways to earn with this system. Again, you don't have to set anything up. It's very simple. It has the follow-up built right into it with Sparky AI doing the work for you, following up with your leads, and the call center closing your leads and onboarding your leads for you. So it literally has everything you could ever need, a simple business in a box ready to go, and you don't have to go spend a bunch of money. You don't have to spend a bunch of time setting stuff, learning different skills. It's a very simple, streamlined system that flat out works, that will flat out help you create multiple streams of income. So if that sounds good to you, go ahead and go to the link in my description. You're going to see this exact page. All you have to do is go here, click here to get a free trial. It's not even a trial. You're going to get this indefinitely, and it looks just like this. You're going to have this back office just like I have, and you're going to be able to, if you want to, purchase one of the memberships, and that's going to provide you with leads, and it's going to position you to earn more money than a free member makes. But again, a free member can make to just over $8,000 commission. So even as a free member, you can do very, very good income. You're able to add two of your own income streams into this program if you already have income streams. And then the other option here is to add the different income streams that are already in the system as well. And you definitely want to do this if you can, because this is going to drastically increase the amount of income you can make. Okay, so that's all I got. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Again, go to the link in the description, click on it. It's going to take you to this page. Click here, create your free trial. And with that, make it a great day, and I'll see you next time.